Alright guys, this is National Stock Trading Academy and my name is Dave. Welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. So we are going to analyze Nifty for this week, how we can trade and what Nifty could potentially do this week. So before getting into it, let's recap from the last week. So by this information, we got to know that there is one upside is left. However, that upside came, but that came with the gap. So I don't think every one of you would be able to take advantage of that. And we also got to know that based on this information, this week going to be very shallow this week. So with that said done, let's analyze what we can do this week. So we have an incomplete pattern again, but however, if you guys know the concept of support and resistance, this is the structure and this is the level which we should be paying attention to. So we don't have a break of the trend neither for this side nor for this side, which means we are in this kind of looking structure. So let's develop this. So this is your short-term trend, and any chance you're getting, just like we discussed here, this is your short-term trend. As long as you're left side of that, you are looking for selling opportunity at the highs. So whenever market goes to the high, you're looking for selling opportunity. Whenever market goes to the high, you're looking for selling opportunity. When you break that structure, for the right side, and that with the rules of the breakout, then you should start looking for the upside in the market. Can this market go down from here? Can we have a sharp sell off? Based on the information, if you guys really want to have a potential trade, if you guys want to have really good trades this week, pay attention on this trend. So if you are already in the sell, you can hold it until this level. So if you are in luck, there's your potential move. Because we did not trade Nifty so much this week because we knew the structure and the behavior of the pattern, but we did trade Bank Nifty. So some of our traders are into this sell. So we got the sell execution somewhere over there, and some of them are enjoying the profits. When we executed that sell, we did say that this could be a potential reversal. Also, if we take this sell, we have a potential chance. Remember guys, this is a business of potential. There is nothing 100%, right? So there is if we sell over there, we have a potential of reversal of this market over here. If not, then this is a trade which is setting up. So many of our students are actually enjoying this profit, and we will execute new trades in coming weeks. So Bank Nifty was the one which we traded this week in the trading room, not the Nifty. But yes, now the Nifty is getting ready for the potential moves which we always look for. So that's the update on Nifty. This is National Stock Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.